What is up, trappers? Checking out. We are up here on Napanee Street in Elkhart, up at the Taco Bell, and you can see like the other sign. We're in this parking lot. We're just up hanging out. There's a notification. The Trap My Ride is live. Check it out. Zach and the Wolfpack man. Check him out. He got Nick with him. We brought the mini truck out tonight, guys. Woo, we got the MyCru shirt on. Shout out to Mike at Subla Graphics and Decals, man. Got to give him a shout out. You know what I mean? Mike's always taking care of us, gives us fresh fly gear to wear. You can see the Cadillac in the back, man. But it's a pretty good turnout. They got an IROC sitting up here. She and the homies, they sitting in a Camry. You can hear that thing chugging. She's homeboy. He just left in the Charger, but it's a pretty good turnout, man. Check them all out. We got a row of them out here tonight, guys. Man, we got people watching Street Heat Car Club. What is up, Street Heat? Get on there and check them out, guys. Let's see who else is watching on here, man. I can't even tell. Man, bunch of them, but what is up, guys? I'm glad to see everybody out, hanging out. We're just up here chilling, man. That's what we're doing. Nate's got the Charger. Look, Brian, he brought that Suburban. You can see the box, the speaker box he made. Heather got whatever the hell that is, the Ram. Everybody out here, listen to this thing, man, just chugging. You know it's drinking gas. What is gas, like $900 a drip? Yeah, boy, glad I ain't driving that, man. Gas guzzling, man, I'm telling you. The thing's nasty, though. I love it. Check them out. Yeah. Oh, look. Look, you can't see behind Brian's giant Suburban, but look, he got the 350Z drop out here, guys. But anyway, we're going to flip this camera around, and if you can see, check this out. Over here behind me. You see them headlights? Yeah, that's Elkhart, man. PD, man. They up here. We're watching this. Ooh, look at this bomb rolling in. Look at this, guys. Let's see if we can get it. You see that? Damn, check him out. He looks good, too. Check him out rolling. Let's get him right here. You see? Yeah, he looks good. Check him out, guys. Yeah. Everything's nice, man. Check him out, guys. He's just rolling through to see what's up. But anyway, let's flip this camera around. But anyway, like I was saying, that's Elkhart, man. PD. You already know. They out here, they just keeping it safe, man. Keeping it safe. You already know. Check him out. But he's out here rolling out. Woo. There he goes. There he goes. Nasty sounding. Nasty sounding. Damn. Damn. And there's another one right there. Boy, he didn't pull out after him, though. Not yet, anyway, guys. Let's check these out. He got the 350Z. This thing's neat, man. I like these cars. Yeah, we just seen him up at Penguin Point. He was up there. Yeah. I think he was my vote for best work in progress. But I say that the best work in progress really should have went to Chris Sherman. Excuse me. It should have went to Chris Sherman and the Shermanator, man, in the Audi, because, you know, that's the best work in progress. But Sherman, he couldn't be out with us, man. He's sick. He's got COVID. So, you know what I'm saying? If he'd have been there, you already know he'd have had that one, guys. Check it out. Heather. Woo! She got the Trap Star. And you guys right there, man, I'm telling you, that's Mike at Subla Graphics and Decals, man. You see him? And I'm sure if you still want the Tory Day Lynn ones, man, they probably still doing that. I'm not sure. But I think so, man. If you want them, they got them. Yeah, look at this parking lot, guys. Yeah. Nick, he got the Charger sitting over here. Brian. Hey, hit the headlights for me, Brian. Check out these headlights he's got in this Suburban, man. Helen Keller can see with these things. Oh, wait a minute. That ain't... Damn, look at them. Woo. Yeah, I love the DLRs in that thing, man. That's awesome. Ooh, and it sounds nasty too. Damn. Man, that bourbon sounds good, man. He got that thing breathing. What's that?
There's a kid right here in the Charger.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
As long as he's still asleep, I don't care.
Let's see. Oh, he's got a kid back here, Brian. Let's see if we woke the kid up.
Still asleep?
No, I think his eyes are open. He ain't crying, though. Hey, Tate. Uh-oh. I think he woke him up, man. He woke him up. Check him out. Zach, he got the Stang out here. Check him out. Ooh, and he got the Wolfpack. You see him. Guys, I need one of them stickers, and you see.
Yeah, you know you're beautiful.
You see it. I love that sticker, man. It's funny as hell. Damn, they got the Hoosiers on here tonight. Man, he looking for it. Looking for it, looking for it. Damn, we got the mini truck out here. You see it, you see it. Man, I love driving this little truck, guys. I can't even believe that I still got this truck. I can't believe that all them shirts aren't gone and we ain't had the raffle and everything. When I started all this, I really wanted to have the Blazer gone by now. But shit, I ain't even got rid of this yet. I guess nobody wants it. But that's cool by me. If nobody wants it, shit, I keep it. Chi, he got the TRD. Yeah, the Camry. Boy, he's eating tacos back here, man. Him and Izzy sitting right there. She's just chilling. But him and Izzy showed up eating tacos, man. They come right back here. And they is eating tacos right here on the tailgate, man. I swear to it. See him? He got his MyCru. TRD. Yeah. Yeah. Check him out, man. Yeah. He got the IROC over here. Scott, he brought the GTO out. We was talking to him earlier about that thing, and that thing is nasty. Woo. I need them wheels for the mini truck. Yeah. He got the IROC out here. You see him? Yeah. That's a good whip. Hell, he should have brought that to the show. And they got the Cadillac out here. Check him out. What is this, a CTS? Yeah. Murked out grill. Got the black Cadillac emblem and the projection bulbs. I see him in there. The red calipers. And he's no slotted and drilled, but he's got the wing on the back. Let's see, you got any stickers back here? Nope. He don't got no stickers. He needs some stickers, man. He needs a MyCru sticker on there. Yeah. Scott does too. Yeah, that look real good. Hey, Brett. Don't you think? Right here? A MyCru sticker? Wouldn't that look good right here? Wouldn't that look good? And on this one too, don't you think? I think so. I think they look good on both them. Yeah. Shit, you might as well do one on that one too. Man, and they brought the trucks out, you see them? Boy, he got him a whole bag of some grease up there, man. That's heart attack in the bag, man. You see them? They all out here hanging out. They got the trucks. Boy, they stole old boy's tailgate earlier. You give him back his tailgate, guys? Oh, yeah. That's funny, man. They took his tailgate. He didn't even know it. Man, they out here, man. They doing it. What is up, Mike? We showing off your decals a minute ago. Yeah, they got the flags up here. They ain't blowing right now. It ain't windy, which is good because you can't hear nothing in the mic when they do. This is where we at, man. Right here, Napanee Street in Elkhart. I don't know the address, guys. That is the Taco Bell, World Harvest Church. Oh, they got the hood up and the stang bangers.
It's got an exhaust.
Damn. Man, we got a special project coming up with this, guys. Shout out to Mike at Subla Graphics and Decals. He hooked us up. We got one coming up with this one and Aaron Marshall's black F-150. So check out those videos when they come, guys. Hopefully this week while it's still nice. And don't forget, guys, I still got shirts, tickets for this thing, man. I can't wait to give it away. Why do we even still have it? This should be at someone else's house. It really should be. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, man. He's purging it. Ooh, look. Oh, yeah, look. Look, we can do it. All right, so you be good, man.
Take care, y'all.
All right, you be careful too, brother. Y'all leaving?
Yeah.
Yep.
I just wanted the police to go away first.
Yeah. We did the purge too. Man, my hands wet. There was water in there today. But everybody out hanging out, man. There go Chi and Izzy. Yeah. Man, them wheels look good on there, guys. Man, they match that color so good. It's clean, brother. Be careful going home. Oh, go gadget wheels. Yeah, check him out right here. Here's some more Mike's handiwork, guys. Check him out. He got him a trap star on here. You see him? Yeah. He got his MyCru. He got one on the front too, man. Yeah. But we out here hanging out, man. They getting ready to roll out. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. Shout out Taco Bell, Elkhart, man. Everybody come out and join us tonight. Thank you. It's a good turnout, especially for a Monday, guys. I like seeing everybody, like having everybody out. Man, if you want the shirts, you want the stickers, man, hit Mike up. You know he's the guy. But we're just out here having a good time, man. Mostly, really, this is what we're doing. But I've been filming. We went through. So now I'm going to take a break, hang out, and see what everybody's up to, guys. So that's what it is. That's what we're doing. Man, I love this car. I want one of these, guys. Maybe we'll get one here and maybe next year, year after or something. I don't know if I want the convertible, though. But I do like the convertible. I don't know. We'll see. All right, that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We'll see you all in the next one. Keep on trapping.